A house at TELIPATI in Imphal East caught fire today at around 12:12 p.m. No one was injured in the incident. However, upper portion of the multi-story building was damaged. A fire tender arrived at the scene and managed to douse the fire. Youth Affairs and Sports Yas Minister Letpao Haukip today flagged off a bike rally from Kuman Lampak in Imphal organized by Rekit Benkinsa, Adventist Development and Relief Agency ADRA to give awareness on sexual health and rights to the youth. The Birds and Bees talk was the theme of the rally. This bike rally will give awareness to around 2 million youths of Northeast India. Noni District Police, led by Superintendent of Police SP Ningshem Basum, along with Longmai Bazaar Youth Club, Longmai Nature Club, Longmai Bazaar Board and other goodwill volunteers cleaned the main Noni Aga Ijay river bank today. 3 people, including a child, were reportedly injured in a crude bomb attack at multiple locations in West Bengal's North 24 Parganas district last night. According to media reports, the incident took place at Gully number 17 in Jagattal. Bombs were reportedly hurled at 15 places in the city, and the accused also broke CCTV cameras at various spots. India recorded this year's record high of 35,871 new cases of coronavirus today, pushing the country's overall case tally to 1.14 crore. As per the Health Ministry data released this morning, India saw 17,741 recoveries and 172 deaths in the last 24 hours. Registering an increase of more than 20,000 cases for the 8th day in a row, the total active caseload rose to 2.5 lakh as per the ministry's data. The high-pitched campaigning for the Assembly election in Bengal will continue as Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses rallies in Assam and Bengal today. A day before addressing rallies in the 2 poll-bound states, Prime Minister Modi said there is a desire for a change in Bengal, with the BJP's agenda of good governance striking a chord among the people. Myanmar faced growing isolation today with increasingly limited internet services and its last private newspaper ceasing publication as the military built its case against ousted elected leader Aung San Suu Kyi. The total documented number of people killed in the unrest stood at 217, but the actual toll was probably much higher, the Assistance Association for Political Prisoners activist group said. A month-long training workshop on leather goods kicked off at Langai village, Nongpok Sanjembam, today organized by Northeast Women Entrepreneurs Association Manipur. President of Northeast Women Entrepreneurs Association Manipur chapter, Kangabam Bijaya Chanu, speaking on the occasion, said that the trainees will be given certificates by Government of India along with stipend. Kuki Students Organization KSO Tuilang Block Kangpokpi has drawn the attention of district authorities to look into the spread of an unknown disease killing cattle in Tuilang area in Kangpokpi district.